46, I have a confession to make.
I don't know how to vlog, but I would like to vlog.
What is this vlog all about? I've been planning to just, go with whatever day I have. I've always been active. I used to ride the bike, go to the gym, run, swim, no. But somehow, at 46, I feel difference in terms of recuperating after whatever gym or kahit na simpleng laro lang, no. I don't easily get tired before, pero ngayon parang no. So these changes, I now feel that I thought a year before or 2 years before, I did not think it would happen to me. Oh my gosh. So I think now I am trying to get back at the things that I used to do, to go to the gym. However, let's not have howevers in this journey. But well, yeah, I also honor my body's need to rest sometimes kasi talagang, although I plan to go to the gym or do something else in my day, be active, somehow my body would really, cry for more rest. Mas masarap yung higaan ngayon. Mas masarap humiga. Kaya kailangan mas maging intentional in terms of what I want to do physically, in terms if I want to be active, And yeah, speaking of age, since after pandemic, iba na rin, hindi yung mga taong dati kong nakakasama sa gym, wala na, and the gym that I used to go to na komportable akong puntahan, wala na rin, nag-close na rin after pandemic. So a lot of changes happen during the course of pandemic. But then it's not an excuse, it's not an excuse to just be sedentary. So anyway, at 46, changes in the body is really very obvious, felt, I don't know for other 46-year-old women there, if they also feel changes, these kinds of changes na mas tumatagal na yung pag-recover ng katawan after physical activity, this feeling of wanting to always be lounging around, magbasa, manood ng Netflix, these are things that I like to do, but now I like it more than going to the gym. Anyway,